Have you ever downloaded a show or movie on Netflix and then you couldn't find it? It's frustrating, right? So don't worry, today I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to find your downloaded Netflix videos in internal storage. So here's how you can solve this problem. Number one, open your Netflix app and go to the Downloads section. You might find your videos right there. Number two, if they aren't visible, go to your phone settings and check the storage section for any hidden Netflix folders. Number three, use your device's file manager app to search for a Netflix folder in your internal storage. Number four, on your Android phones, look under the Android folder for data, and you're going to find the Netflix downloaded folder. Number five, if you still can't find them, try reinstalling the Netflix app and checking your download settings again. Now you're ready to find those hidden videos, okay? Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.